le doku kentije. Yeah, what fana doku kentije nyami established and you understand? But there is no other artist on that flyer who don't deserve respectful position than me. You understand what I'm saying? Let's call a spade a spade. Nkamfata wole nyama. Na pa Jawara call. You understand? Pa Jawara. Na call. Abe meeting on the phone or na interrupt. Nkai ko pa Jawara, please. You fly is not fair. And I'm not gonna do it. I'll take this flyer. Abe nyami. You understand and coming for it. But because last year best of the best. Why Mantara billboard or wild I fight my right. You understand? So this year, Malafina in Sebasoto. You understand? I'm gonna phone you a park. Imuna mold. And I will just be justice. I will play justice with you. Ala ninkila along. Akonye ko